patent pending. What does it mean, and how do you take advantage of the opportunity? Hi, everybody. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm, here to talk with you about this important question and much more. If you are new to this program, new to our channel, please click the link below. Open up our Bold Inventors Kit. This is for you. It's got all the information you need to get started: patent drafting, application searching, you name it, office action responses. So click that link, get started today. Patent pending. Patent pending, this is huge. This is the moment when you've submitted a patent application, whether it be a provisional, that design, the utility non-provisional, and you're now patent pending. This is a big deal. So what does it mean? Two big aspects. First, it means you are hopefully, right, the first one to file. And you have got that all important, what's called a priority date set. That means that any inventor that comes after you, that invents the same or very similar subject matter, will lose to you in a race to get the patent issued. It can happen that multiple inventors file the same invention really closely in terms of the timeline, within a matter of months or even days. So it does matter what date you filed the patent application on. That is going to be the date that you'll make reference to when you file subsequent applications, whether that be a non-provisional. You have up to 1 year to file the non-provisional. It could also be a patent cooperation treaty filing to look for international filing applications. You can make reference back to a provisional that was filed less than 12 months ago. So that's ticket number one. Number two, the big deal is you can now label your product patent pending. And there's major benefits to that. Customers appreciate the fact that what you've come up with is novel, or at least they think you think it's novel, and they may be willing to pay a bit more for it. But more importantly, it puts those bad guys and bad gals on notice that if they see the patent pending label, well, they're thinking, gosh, maybe they're already going to get a patent on this soon. If we go try to rip this off or have a competitive product to this, maybe we'll get sued for infringement. Let's design something else. And so that's the cooling effect on the competition, and it's a benefit for you while your patent application is still pending and getting examined by the USPTO. There's a tertiary benefit to having a patent pending status. It's that you can now share your invention with the public. Now, I do this with a cautionary tale that you can talk about your invention, talk about what it is you've come up with, but limit that disclosure, limit what you're talking about to just what was filed in the application. So if you're going to be getting into detailed conversations with designers, investors, business partners, you want to make sure there's confidentiality in place, because you bet there'll be some iterations, versions of your invention that will come forward, and you want all of that, whatever was not in the provisional or the non-provisional or the design patent originally, how it changes over time, you want to keep that confidential until you later file it as a separate invention or roll it up into the non-provisional later. So that's patent pending and what it means and why it's important to you. If you have any questions, please comment below. And again, if this is your first time, click below. The Bold Inventors Kit is right there for you. I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Have an awesome day. Go big, go bold.